So we have concluded that there's not a lot of support in here. But on the other hand, Geico has done a lot of advertising focusing on savings. Pretty much everything they've done is savings. So, and you could say that the Gecko kind of stands for savings, and maybe they don't need to do a lot of support of it. I think the main message they're trying to get across here is really not the savings in a way. It's the fact that you can insure so many things you might not have thought about insuring with your Geico. Okay. Brand character. Thoughts on brand character. Again, is it luxury? Is it upscale? Is it rough and rugged? What do you get from this? And honestly, personally, I don't get a ton of brand character. I think whatever character I'm getting is coming through the Gecko and just my knowledge of having seen so many TV ads, so many print ads, so many out-of-home ads. And there's a wonderful sense of humor that is shown especially in the TV and the internet videos, etc., with this Gecko. Just terrific job done on that. And so I guess what I would say is there's a sense of humor kind of implied with the Gecko. There's a friendliness. Beyond that, I don't get a lot of character, honestly, for Geico. Maybe you agree, maybe you don't. And then finally, offer. Well, if you look closely at the fine print, you will see that this ad is verging towards being a direct ad, because the fine print says get a free insurance quote today. And it gives you response devices. You can go to geico.com, you can call that number, or you can visit the local office. So this is not a huge direct ad. I'd say mostly what it's trying to do is let you know that you can cover a wide range of items with your Geico policy. But there is an offer of a free quote, and there's an offer, to call the company. And this is a case where you may or may not buy from the ad. You're going to buy when you call the company and probably get more information and get your quote than indeed you might buy. So now, is it an effective ad? I don't know. What do you think? Okay, now we have a couple of TV ads to look at now. So one of them is very, very strong branding ad, just to kind of lay the groundwork for branding. And the other is about as direct response as you can get. It's an infomercial. So we're going to take a look at those now.